Dan Moore. I've got a pretty old hydrant that's been sitting on a property I have, and I came across it and was looking to have somebody clean it up. So we're gonna see what it looks like.
All right, take her away.
Wow, yeah, that really came out nice, eh? Who knew it was that color?
Yeah.
Oh, that's fabulous. I'm gonna have it repainted and restored, and I'm gonna put it on my property, but this looks excellent.
Good stuff. Well, thank you for the opportunity, Dan.
Well, thank you, Ed. This is, yeah, well, this is beyond my expectation for sure.
That's perfect.
Yeah, that's great.